Hello, my name is Drew Campbell. I am from Portland, Oregon in the United States, and I chose to attend One Yoga. One Yoga is yoga teacher training. I came here to expand myself, my mind, my heart, my body. I came here for the sole purpose of knowledge and learning and making new connections and just really, really wanting to make a shift in my life. And I think that was the general perspective at first. And I actually hadn't done a lot of yoga or practiced a lot of yoga before coming here. So I'm very new to yoga, but I can say without a doubt that it doesn't matter your skill set. That's not what yoga is about. This is about a personal journey within yourself, and I'm very grateful that I've been able to just meet so many incredible people here on Koh Phangan. Koh Phangan is just a wonderful space, a vibrant space. It flows with creativity and connection to nature. And the essence of the jungle here is just wonderful, and it makes it really optimized for developing my practice in yoga. I will never forget this experience, and I truly believe that what occurred here at One Yoga for this yoga teacher training course has awoken something within. It really has. It is life transformative in the best way possible. The ups, the downs, the left and right, I mean everything. It's just a whirlwind of so many incredible things, and it's very hard to describe the experience here. And I just am so grateful to have been able to have the privilege of coming here. And I highly recommend, if you're ever considering doing a yoga teacher training, you've got to come check out One Yoga. It's so wonderful here, and the teachers, the staff, the environment, everything about it is just completely blissful, and I'm so thankful. I'm overwhelmed with thankfulness and happiness and just pure joy. So One Yoga, namaste. Thank you so much for having me.